What's going on, guys? CardMechanic here, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to twirl a card on your fingertips. Let's get into it. Now, generally when I go and do this in front of people, they say it looks really cool, but also very difficult to do. So I'm going to tell you right now that with just a little bit of practice, you'll be able to master this move down in no time. So now starting off, we start off by pushing over the top card with our thumb. And now we're going to grab this top card using our middle finger and our ring finger. And here's how it's going to happen. Now you push that over. We're going to take our ring finger and curl it underneath this card. And you're pretty much taking your ring finger and just doing it like this. So it's just gripping onto the deck for the most part, but it's underneath the top card. And you're going to take your middle finger and put that right on top. Now when you grab the card with the middle and ring finger, you're going to see that the card, instead of it being out like this, it's going to go back into the deck and be aligned with the deck. And this is a good thing, right? So once you're here, you want to tightly grip the deck, and of course tightly grip between these cards. So if you see, there's going to be a fairly large gap between the top card and the rest of the deck. And this will allow for you to better twirl the card when it's time. Okay, so we're here, we're gripping the cards very tightly. And now let me actually show you what actually happens. If we extend our fingers, you'll see that the card automatically straightens out like this. So it's going to go from here to here. That's because, of course, it's gripped vertically, so it's going to stay vertical. So at this point, all you're going to have to do is, originally, as you saw, the middle finger is on top, ring finger's on the bottom. When you straighten it out like this, all you're going to be doing is moving your middle finger on top of the ring finger this time, and then closing it back. So you'll see the card has completely turned over. Right? So I'll do the whole thing in slow motion. This, leave it out. Put the middle finger on top, or in this case, middle finger on the bottom, close it. Okay, again here, middle finger goes on the bottom now, and boom. So if you do it this way, you'll see exactly what's happening. Now, of course, what I showed you in the video is not like this, right? That's not what I showed you in the beginning. So what you're going to be doing is, instead of doing that while putting the card out there, you're going to lift it up a little bit and now switch. So instead of your middle finger being on top and ring finger being on the bottom, you're just going to switch those two around. So now your middle finger is on the bottom and your ring finger is on top. And then all you're going to do is just close it right back up. So in slow motion, right, you slide that out, grip it, switch the position of these two fingers, it'll automatically twirl the card. The card gets turned over, grip it with your thumb, align it back with the deck. So that's all it really is. It's nothing too difficult, and with a good amount of practice, you'll get this down in no time. So that pretty much wraps up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to check out my social media links down in the description below, and I'll see you in my next video. Welcome to the end screen. If you liked the video, make sure to hit that like button, leave a comment down below, and subscribe, because subscribing is good. Thanks for watching.